There you go, drink it all up. Good, that's it. You'll feel better soon. Thank you so much, doctor.
You're very welcome. I'm so glad you're feeling better.
I feel wonderful.